First, put the microscope in front of a lamp or near a window to get adequate light for observation. Choose the low-power eyepiece. Rotate the low-power objective into position. You will hear a click sound when it is set properly. Now, look through the eyepiece with both eyes open. Adjust the mirror until you see a bright circle of light. Next, clip a transparent ruler onto the stage. Move the millimeter scale to the center of the hole. Look at the stage from the side. Turn the coarse adjustment knob until the objective is very close to the ruler but does not touch it. Look through the eyepiece with both eyes open. Turn the coarse adjustment knob to raise the objective slowly. Stop when you see a clear image of the markings on the ruler. Then, turn the fine adjustment knob to get a sharper image.